Tired of email marketing platforms that feel like you need a PhD to operate? Today, we're diving into SendFox, the email marketing platform built specifically for content creators like you to find out if it actually simplifies the chaos. First impressions matter and SendFox gets it right. The interface is clean and intuitive, no complicated menus or hidden features. Everything is laid out logically, making it incredibly easy to navigate, even if you're a complete beginner. Creating emails is a breeze. You can quickly craft newsletters with their simplified editor or use pre-designed templates, drag and drop images, add your text, customize colors, all in a matter of minutes. Automation is key to saving time. SendFox lets you set up automated welcome emails, drip sequences, and more. This means you can engage your subscribers automatically, nurturing them from new follower to loyal fan, all while you focus on creating awesome content. Managing your subscribers is also straightforward. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, ensuring that your emails reach the right people with the right message. Now, let's talk pricing. SendFox is known for its affordability, especially compared to some of the bigger players in the email marketing game. Their lifetime deals have been especially appealing. You'll need to weigh the cost against the specific features you need. SendFox integrates with many of the tools you already use, including WordPress, Zapier, and YouTube. This allows for a seamless workflow, connecting your email marketing with the rest of your online presence. So, is SendFox right for you? It's a fantastic option for content creators and bloggers who need a simple, affordable, and effective email marketing solution. However, if you require extremely advanced features, you might need to explore other platforms. And if ease of use and cost effectiveness are your priorities, SendFox is definitely worth considering.